Hello everybody, welcome to another video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for turning the notifications on. Add dairy sour cream or plain yogurt to help take the fire out of a dish you've accidentally overspiced. If you notice the top of your cake is browning too fast, you can tent it with aluminum foil until the inside is completely cooked through. If you've left it too late for that, you can slice the top off. Once it's cooled, and cover your mistake with some frosting. If you accidentally add too much vinegar to a dish, think about adding some sugar to balance that acidity. Add a bit of honey to a salad dressing to balance the acidity from using too much vinegar. Pop some carrots in an overly acidic tomato sauce. Their sweetness will help balance out that vinegary note. Leafy greens like collard greens can often leave a bitter taste in your mouth. Add a touch of lemon or lime to your greens after you've cooked them to balance this. A sprinkle of sugar can help reduce the bitterness too. Add a raw, sliced potato to a casserole or stew to help absorb excess salt. Alternatively, add some cooked grains or rice if that makes sense for the dish. They will absorb extra salt and dilute the dish overall. A little sugar in a too salty soup can help dilute the saltiness too. Turn your oven on a low temperature around 300 degrees Fahrenheit to 325 degrees Fahrenheit and, keeping the meat in the pan you're cooking it in. Tent the pan with aluminum foil. Use a meat thermometer to check for doneness. 160 degrees Fahrenheit for medium. There is such a thing as too much sugar in savory dishes, where one ingredient's sweetness overpowers the rest of the dish. Try adding a squeeze of lemon juice to balance the sugar with some acid. Butter a large casserole dish. Toss the vegetables gently with some heavy cream and some croutons. Place them in the dish. Top with grated cheese and some panic breadcrumbs and pop under the broiler a few minutes until the cheese is bubbly and golden.